Start your day the plant-based way.
Looking for delicious vegan breakfasts? Whether you're fully plant-based or just exploring, breakfast is a great place to start. A plant-based morning meal can fuel your day with natural energy and nutrition. Here are 4 easy, healthy, and satisfying vegan breakfast ideas to inspire you and make healthy eating simple.
Avocado toast with chickpeas.
Mash ripe avocado on whole grain toast, then top with drained, rinsed, canned chickpeas. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a dash of lemon juice for extra flavor. This meal delivers healthy fats, plant protein, fiber, and important vitamins, all in a few minutes. Customize with cherry tomatoes, spinach, or a sprinkle of seeds for added taste and nutrients.
Overnight oats with fruit.
Combine rolled oats with plant milk and let them soak overnight in the fridge. In the morning, stir in chopped fruits like berries or banana, plus a spoonful of nut butter or chia seeds. This effortless breakfast is rich in fiber and keeps you full longer. Prep ahead to save time and enjoy a creamy, nutrient-dense start to your day.
Veggie tofu scramble.
Crumble firm tofu into a pan and cook with your favorite veggies, such as bell peppers, spinach, or mushrooms. Season with turmeric, salt, and pepper for taste and color. This vegan alternative to scrambled eggs is packed with plant protein, iron, and antioxidants, providing a savory, satisfying breakfast that supports your wellness goals.
Banana nut smoothie bowl.
Blend a frozen banana with plant milk and a handful of nuts or seeds until creamy. Pour into a bowl and top with granola, sliced fruit, and a sprinkle of nuts. This smoothie bowl is naturally sweet, filled with fiber, healthy fats, and vitamins, and can be easily customized to your taste for a refreshing and nourishing breakfast.